This is food for the zima, and today I'm gonna show you how to make pasulj. You're gonna soak the beans overnight in the morning, boil them with the new water. We're gonna brown the onions in the oil or animal fat. Smoked dried meat flavors it. You need to use slanina and pork hock kolenica. Drain these boiled beans, wash them in the pot with the onions, slanina, kolenica, water. You're gonna season with the salt, pepper, vegeta, bay leaf. Cook for 2 hours. The beans should be cooked after 2 hours. The kolenica, the pork hock should be falling apart. Eat this, it's healthy, your brain. Then you're gonna shred it with 2 forks, add it back in, add some water so it's not too thick. Taste it and reseason if necessary. Now we make zaprshka, which is animal fat or oil with the flour and paprika. Only cook for less than a minute. Add it in, and when it is nice and thick, remove bay leaf and serve with a fresh pot. Because of parsley, bre! I told you, parsley is only for the rabbits. Now you have to eat it with the fresh bread. It's best if you break it up and dip it in okoko. Very delicious, high in protein, freezes well, but don't eat more than 1 week because you will have a lot of gas in your ass.